Hi everyone, my name is Xavier and today I'll be taking you through the RAMRADE Attachments Rock Breaker. Rock breakers are commonly used in demolition, mining and quarrying, as well as the civil industry, which can include plumbing and electrical. We've got rock breakers to suit 0.5 ton carriers all the way to 60 ton carriers, and they weigh anywhere between 100 kilos and 2,500 kilos. This particular model that we've got here today is the 300 series. Now this 300 series weighs about 200 kilos, and the key features of our rock breakers include a narrow profile to get into trenching, to get rid of unwanted rocks before we continue digging. Along with the narrow body, we've also got technology which is noise reducing. This helps when you're doing construction, especially civil, within the city and in residential areas. Along with the noise reduction technology, we've got some super shock absorbing technology within the monoblock housing, which helps the longevity of the product. Now what's included with your RAMRADE attachments is the 2 hoses that come for your rock breaker, as well as a DIY toolbox with all the right spanners, as well as a gauge to check your oil flows to make sure that they are at the recommended specs needed to operate. If you want any more information on our RAMRADE attachments, please visit our website and see the detailed specs there. Thank you.